I'm Junilin Ada Molly. I'm a 40 years old. I graduated in Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have one children. She is 8 years old. I'm ex-abroad from Lebanon 2005 until 2007, Dubai 2008 until 2015, Qatar 2021 until 2023. My duties are cooking, cleaning, take care for the children, take care for the feeds, and wash for the car. Almost 11 years to servant, and also how to care for the children because I have my own children. First, give the food all the time and assist for take a shower, and also how to care for the newborn baby. First, give the milk all the time and change for the diaper. Maybe the baby is sick, I need to check the temperature and I need to tell the employer immediately. And also how to tutorial like singing, dancing, tell the story. And also for the children is got worried, I will go with them for the playground area, and also how to cook like for Filipino food like chicken adobo, calderita, and etc. And also how to cook for Arabic food like bukhari, masbus, saluna, and biryani. Mom and sir, please hire with me as a domestic helper. I will promise to you I will finish my contract. I'm loyal, honest, hard working. And see you soon. Bye.